Good day, class. Welcome to Learn Tricks in Mathematics. Today, we want to look at addition of whole numbers, decimal, and fractions in mathematics. First, let's start with addition of whole numbers. In our previous videos, we have discussed about whole numbers there. So, if you still need more understanding of whole numbers, you can go there and watch the videos. Now, addition of whole numbers. To understand addition of whole numbers in mathematics, let's look at examples. Examples are very important in mathematics. It's like a guide to assist students in understanding particular concepts in mathematics. Example 1. Let's look at this question. Add 461, 315, and 367, 78. This question is just asking us to add the two whole numbers together. Let's start. Let's write the first number. 461,315. Now, you need to be careful when you want to write the second number. When you want to write the second number, you don't start from here. It is wrong. You start writing from the back. That is, you start writing from the left. You start writing from the right to the left. Right to the left or back to the front. So if I want to write the second number, I write 8 here. 7, 7, 6, 3. Then I'll put my plus sign. So 5 plus 8 is 13. I'll write 3 and keep 1. 1 plus 7. 8 plus 1, I'm keeping. It will be 9. 3 plus 7, 10. I'll write 0 and keep 1. 1 plus 6, 7. Plus the 1 I'm keeping. 8. 6 plus 3, 9. And this is 4. This is your final answer. So this is a very simple way to add whole numbers together in mathematics. Let us look at another example to boost our understanding of addition operation with whole numbers. Find sum of 4327, 6315, 797, and 2136. In mathematics, sum means addition. Don't be scared when you hear the word sum. It is just the same thing as addition operation. So what the question is asking us to do is to add all these numbers together. So let's do it step by step. What I mean by step is I'll first of all add this one to this one. The result, I'll add this one to it. The result, I'll add this. This is good in order to avoid error or mistake. So let's start. Let's pick the first number. Let's pick the first number. 4, 3, 2, 7. Now, like I said, you start writing from the right to the left, not from the left to the right, or you write from the back to the front. So the next number, I'll write 5, 1, 3, 6. Put my plus sign. 7 plus 5, 12. I'll write 2 and keep 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus the 1 I'm keeping, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 4 plus 6, 10. Now, I'll write the third number. Start writing from here. 7, 9, 7. Put my plus sign. 2 plus 7, 9. 4 plus 9, 3. I'll keep 1. 6 plus 7, 13. Plus 1, 14. I'll also keep 1. This is 0. Plus 1, I'm keeping 1. 11. This is like adding 1 to 10. Then, the last number, I'll start writing from the back. Don't forget, it is very important. Write 3. Sorry, I write 6, 3, 1, 2. You put your plus sign. 6, 9 plus 6, 15. You write 5. You keep 1. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. You are keeping. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. Then you put your 1. So this is your final answer. So adding this number to this number to this number to this number will give you 13,575. That is the simplest way to add numbers or to perform addition of whole numbers in mathematics. Let's move to the next set of numbers, which is addition of decimals. Addition of decimals. 2. I want to look at addition of decimals. 2. Addition of decimals. In our previous videos, we have discussed about decimals or decimal numbers. You can go and watch the videos to understand the meaning of decimals or decimal numbers. Basically, decimal is a number that has our own number part and a decimal fraction part with decimal points. So any number with decimal point is basically a decimal number. So let's look at how to add decimals together in mathematics. Let's look at example. I said example is very, very important in mathematics. It's like a guide to understand a particular concept in mathematics. So let's look at first example. Evaluate 120.854 plus 75.834 plus 105.75. Numbers after decimal point should be called one by one. Like this one should be called 120.854, 75.834. This is 105.75. So take note of that. It is very important. Now, let's do this. We'll do it stepwisely. That is, step by step, in order to avoid error or mistake. Now, let's take 120.854. That's our first number. Now, when you want to write the second number, listen and listen carefully. The first thing you do is to place your decimal point. Place your decimal point. Then you write the number before decimal point the way you see it. This is 5, 7. Then you write all the numbers after decimal point the way you see it. Start from here. Follow the rules. 4, 3, 8. This is necessary so as to avoid mistake or error in your calculation. 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. I'll keep 1. I'll place my decimal point. 0 plus 5 plus the 1 I'm keeping. 6. 2 plus 7, 9. 1. Then I'll go to the next number. First thing I do, or I need to do, is to place my decimal point. Then write. Now, remember, I've said it in the previous video on decimals. 0 after decimal is not important. 0 after decimal is not important. So the last number, I will look at the numbers after decimal in my results. So I use it to place 0 on my next number. So my next number, I can place 0 here. If I place 0 here, it's not affecting it. Because 0 after decimal is not important. So adding 0 to this one does not change the value. So let's go. So I'll place my decimal point. Numbers before decimal 5, 0, 1. Numbers after decimal. Now I can place 0 here. So I can write 0, 5, 7. Adding 0 after 7, 5 does not change the value. Please take note of that. So I'll put my sign. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. I'll keep 1. 6 plus 7, 13. I had 1, I'm keeping to 8. 14, I still keep 1. 6 plus 5, 11 plus the 1 I'm keeping. Let me place my decimal, don't forget. So the 1 I'm keeping from here, 6 plus 5, 11, I'll add it to it, making 12. I still keep 1. 9 plus 0, 9. Plus the 1 I'm keeping, 0. I still keep 1, but this one will be 10. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus the 1 I'm keeping, 3. So this is the final answer. So adding 120.854 to 75.834 to 105.75 will give me 302.438. So that is a very simple way to add decimals together in mathematics. Let's look at another example to understand the concept very well. 0.426. Right. So the question is asking us to add 8 and 0.426 together. So let me write 8 first. Now, this is whole number, and this number is a decimal number. So what do? I need to convert my 8 to decimal. How do I do that? Because I know that 0 after decimal point is not important. So I can put my decimal point in and put 0, 0, 0 in. So I put the same number of 0 after decimal in my second number. So this is 8.000. So I can now write the second number. Place my decimal point first. 0, 6, 2, 4. Put my operation sign. 0 plus 6, 6. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 4, 4. Place my decimal. 0 plus 8, 8. So it's as simple as that. So with all these examples, I think you should be able to understand how addition of fractions, addition of decimal is working in mathematics. So let's go to the next set of numbers, which are fractions. Let's look at how to add fractions, how to perform addition operation on fractions. So addition of fractions. Addition of fractions. In our previous video, we explained that a fraction is a number that has a numerator and a denominator. So to perform addition of fraction, let's go by examples, because examples are very important to guide you in understanding a particular concept in mathematics. So let's look at, let's see. Let's say you have a question that says solve 1 over 5. Before we do that, let me explain something under fraction, which is very, very important. There's a trick you must keep in mind. 1. If I are performing addition operation, addition on fractions, you need LCM. What's the meaning of LCM? LCM is lowest common multiple. So in future, we're still going to discuss in details about LCM. 2. If you are performing subtraction on fractions, you also need LCM. 3. If you are performing multiplication on fractions, no LCM. If you are performing division operation on fractions, no LCM. Why I'm saying this is because I've seen students that want to perform multiplication operation and division operation trying to find LCM. You don't need LCM when you want to perform multiplication and division operations on fractions. Take note of that. It is very, very important. So let's go with examples on how to perform addition of fractions in mathematics. So examples, like I always say, example is like a guide to assist you to understand particular concepts in mathematics. So examples. 1. Let's say you have a question that says solve 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. The first thing you do is to look for, like I said, during addition operation of fractions, you need LCM. So LCM of 5 and 5, you look for LCM of the denominators. Like I said, fractions are numbers that have numerators and denominators. So like this now, 1 is the numerator, 5 is the denominator. So you look for LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. So you draw your line, place 5 there. Now ask this question. 5 in 5, 1. The result, you use it to multiply the numerator here. So that will be 1 times 1, 1. Place your sign. 5, how many 5 can you say in 5? 1. 1 times 2, 2. So the answer to this question is 1 plus 2, that is 3 over 5. So I hope you can understand the concept. Let's look at another example to boost our understanding of the addition concept. Let's say you have a question that says evaluate 2/3 plus 3/5 plus 1/6. The first thing you do, you look for the LCM. The simple meaning of LCM is that you need to look for a number, just a number that 3 can divide, 5 can divide, 6 can also divide. Just a number. So 5 will divide it without any remainder. 6 will divide it without any remainder. 5 will divide it without any remainder. 6 will also divide it without any remainder. So that is what we call LCM in mathematics. Just a number that all the numbers can divide without remainder. So for 3, 5, 6, the LCM is 30. So you draw the line, place your 30 here. How many 3 can I see in 30? 10. 10 times 2, 20. How many 5 can I see in 30? 6. 6 times 3, 18. You place the sign. How many 6 can I see in 30? 5. 5 times 1, 5. Then you add everything together. 20 plus 18, 8. That is 38. 38 plus 5, 3, 43. So 20 plus 18 plus 5 will give 43/30. This is an example of an improper fraction. If you don't understand the meaning of improper fraction, go and watch our video on basic numbers in mathematics. So now look at it. How many 30 you can see in 43? 1. What do you have left? 13. So one whole number, 13/30. So this is an example of mixed number, and this is your final answer. So let's look at another example to drive our understanding of addition of fractions operation in mathematics. Let's say you have another question that says, evaluate 4 whole number 1/5 plus 3 whole number 3/5. This, you can do it in 2 ways. Let's call the first one method 1. Method 1. So 4 whole number 1/5 plus 3 whole number 3/5. Right? The first method, you add all the whole numbers together and add all the fractions together. So let's pick the whole numbers. The whole numbers are 4 plus 3. We have 4 and 3. So we add 4 and 3 together. Then let's keep all the fractions here. So this will now be 4 plus 3, 7 plus. Now let's solve this one first. LCM of 5 and 5 is 5, right? 5 in 5, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Place your plus sign. 5 in 5, 1. 1 times 3, 3. So this will be 7 plus 4/5. So the final answer is 7 whole number 4/5. That is the first method. Another way of doing this is this, which I'll call second method. So second method. Under the second method, we have 4 whole number 1/5 plus 3 whole number 3/5. The first thing you do, like I said in our previous video under fractions, I said a mixed fraction can be converted to an improper fraction. Likewise, an improper fraction can also be converted to a mixed number. So take note of that. So let's convert this one to an improper fraction. 5 times 4, 20 plus 1, 21. So this is 21/5 plus 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18, 18/5. Then the next thing is to look for LCM. LCM of 5 and 5 is 5. So 5 in 5 is 1, right? 1 times 21, 21. Place your plus sign. 5 in 5, 1. 1 times 18, 18. Then add 21 and 18 together. This is 9. 8 plus 1, 9. 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So that gives 39. So this is 39/5. This is an improper fraction. So it is ideal to convert it to a mixed number. 5 in 39, 7. 7 times 5, 35. 39 minus 35, we have 4 left. So you can see the two answers are the same for the first method and for the second method. So far so good. That is how to perform addition operation of fractions. So in summary, we have been able to perform or see simple steps you can take to perform addition operation on whole numbers, addition operation on decimals, addition operation on fractions. Thank you for watching and listening. Please like the video, help us to share our videos, make your comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. God bless.